Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in DIY projects, DIY room decor and DIY room makeovers, then kindly subscribe to my channel and let's create beautiful pieces using household items. For this DIY project you will need a glass, bamboo skewers, some string, wooden beads cut in half, a glue gun and candle holder. You want to remove all the labeling from your glass and use rubbing alcohol to remove the sticky layer. You want to measure your bamboo skewers to the height of your glass, cutting them to size, and you would also take your string and measure it around your glass, cutting 2 pieces. You will place your strings down horizontally using sticky tape to hold them down. You will then use the skewers that you cut, gluing them to the string one by one with 2 wooden beads in between as shown here. Once you're done gluing down your skewers and wooden beads, you can wrap them around your glass to see if they fit, and as you can see, mine fits perfectly. I then used hot glue to glue them to the glass. If you enjoy DIY projects and would like to see more, then please hit that subscribe button. And finally, you can use some hot glue to glue your glass to your candle holder. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, please stay safe.